Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making fried dry shrimp. 1 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of crushed chili, 2 cups of dry shrimp. Remember to clean them properly. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 cups of chopped preferably red onion, 1 cup of chopped garlic. Pour in the oil and let it heat at medium heat. After heating the oil, put in the onions. Spread the onions evenly. After the onions have become soft, put in the garlic. Mix thoroughly. After the garlic and onion are a bit brown, put in the dry shrimp. Mix thoroughly. After mixing the shrimp in, put in the crushed chili. Put in the fish sauce. Put in how much salt do you want. Keep mixing the ingredients in the pan until everything is crispy. When the frying is done, angle the pan slightly. Move the dish to the side of the pan and hold for 5 to 10 minutes to separate as the oil. You can serve this dish with rice. When refrigerated, this dish can last for 5 to 6 months. Please remember to like and subscribe for future recipe. Thank you everyone.